Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Raccoons are basically tiny burglars wearing fuzzy masks. Give them half a chance and they'll raid your trash, steal your pet's dinner, and act like they own the place. We've put together 10 ways to keep raccoons out of your yard. Number 1, secure your trash cans. Raccoons can open loose lids, tip over cans, and remember easy food sources. What works? Locking trash cans, bungee cords on lids, store cans inside a garage or shed until pickup day. Number 2, stop feeding pets outdoors. Pet food is basically raccoon fast food. Even a bowl left out overnight can attract them. What works? Feed pets indoors. Bring bowls inside after meals. Store pet food in sealed containers. Number 3, harvest fruits and vegetables quickly. Raccoons love corn, tomatoes, melons, fallen fruit. What works? Pick produce as soon as it's ripe. Remove fallen fruit daily. Number 4, eliminate water sources. Like all wildlife, raccoons need water. Common attractants, bird baths, pet water bowls, leaky faucets, decorative ponds. What works? Empty water sources at night. Repair leaks. Number 5, protect bird feeders. Many homeowners accidentally feed raccoons every night. They love seed, sweet, and nuts. What works? Bring feeders in at night. Use squirrel, baffles, clean spilled seed underneath. Number 6, remove brush piles and debris. Raccoons are always looking for hiding spots. They love brush piles, wood piles, overgrown shrubs, and junk piles. Here's what works. Keep yards tidy, trim dense vegetation, remove unnecessary clutter. Number 7, seal access under decks and sheds. A raccoon that moves under your deck often becomes a much bigger problem. What works? Heavy gauge hardware cloth, buried fencing around structures. Inspect for gaps regularly. Important, make sure animals aren't already living underneath before sealing. Number 8, trim tree branches away from roofs. Raccoons are excellent climbers. Many reach attics by climbing trees, crossing branches, jumping onto roofs. What works? Trim branches 6 to 10 feet from the roof. Remove easy access routes. Number 9, secure chicken coops and small livestock areas. Raccoons are surprisingly strong and clever. They can open simple latches, reach through wire openings, kill chickens. What works? 2-step locking latches, hardware cloth instead of chicken wire, locking animals up at night. Number 10, install motion-activated lights or sprinklers. Raccoons prefer to work unseen. A sudden burst of light or water often convinces them to leave. Now for our myths. There is lots of information that is quite honestly a waste of money. Myth number 1, mothballs. People scatter mothballs around yards, hoping raccoons will leave. Reality. Mothballs are meant for inside small, tight spaces. Outside, their smell becomes ineffective. Myth number 2, predator urine. Coyote or fox urine is often marketed as a deterrent. Reality, raccoons quickly figure out there's no actual predator present. Myth number 3, strong smells. Cayenne pepper, Irish Spring soap, ammonia, garlic, and dozens of other smells are commonly recommended. Reality, they work best when combined with other more proven methods. and you must reapply every time you water or it rains. The bottom line, the secret isn't finding a magic raccoon repellent. It's making your yard less rewarding. Remove food, water, shelter, and easy access, and most raccoons will decide your neighbor's yard looks a lot more inviting. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.